Check out that rock out there. That's a big old rock. Must have come from up there on the hill somewhere.
From up here, look at these.
On the hill here.
Oh, they come from these. These are some big boulders.
There's a view of the river. Oh yeah, that's where it come from, I'm sure. A long time ago. But it fell off there and right down into the river. How cool is that? There's one up there about that size or bigger. There's some more of them right there.
Wow, look at them.
Pretty wild.
Oh, this is awesome. You gotta see this big old bluff over here. This is cool.
Well, they're all along here where this whole hillside has fell off at one time over the years. Extremely cool road. Look at that down in there.
Oh, look.
There's a waterfall. How cool is that?
Get me right in front of it where I can get a... There we go. Whoa.
Sweet. Look at that. You can walk out there on that rock and look at the river down below. As long as you don't slip and break your neck. If you fall in the water, you might not break your neck, but you might drown. It's a long way down. Well, you might break your neck. There might be a rock down there. Beautiful. Nice spring day. The sun just came out. It was raining. Now the sun's out. You can see that it's greening up pretty good because it was not near this green a week or so ago.
And we go through a big patch of fog.
Yeah, we come through a lot of fog on the way down here. It was crazy how foggy it was. Supposed to be like a 5 mile or 5 point something mile drive through this. So we're going to see.
Looky there. Awesome. Bam.
Pretty cool road down in here. Not too far from the river over there. Look at that. Well, you missed it.
Oh, waterfall.
can't believe you missed that one. Look at that. Yeah, check that rock out. Pretty cool. Well, some of these little inclines are steep and you go over it and then you can't actually see where the road is or what you got coming up.
Oh, that's a good one.
There's a river over there running. It's really a rolling. Really not sure what river it is. It could be called Big Funny. We're just back off out here in the woods somewhere in Arkansas. But it's really cool. And like this, see, you go over these hills, then you get to the top, you can't see what's over the other side. And hopefully there's not a car or another Jeep or a four-wheeler or something come flying over it. And you couldn't see it. Gotta be something held down there somewhere. There's that mailbox being there.
Yeah, it had a gate coming this direction.
These mud holes don't look like much, and when you hit them, they're like 2 foot deep. It's like, my goodness, check this out. This is pretty cool. How cool is that? Every little corner makes you think you're going to end up in the river somewhere. They're right on the edge, so close to the river.
What's that hole?
Well, it's just a 6 foot deep mud hole. That one wasn't bad. You could hit your vehicle on the rock if you got over too far right here. That's for sure. Wow, look what's down here. This is awesome. Maybe, but I don't see it yet. Oh, there it is, yeah.
Right there, you better
This is what's called Car Wash Falls. Yeah, we better roll the windows up on this dude. What about yours?
Oh.
Think you better roll it up?
Yeah. better.
That is awesome. How cool is that?
Don't go anywhere until you clear off the windshield.
Yeah, I can't see. One way to work the Jeep off. Holy cow. Crazy. That's pretty awesome.
Oh, there's a bunch of butterflies.
Look at the butterflies, they're everywhere.
Oh, there's another
Oh,
one.
this is pretty cool. Just past the fall, there's some little falls there, huh? Well, that was just pretty cool. I like it.
That rock down there.
Oh yeah.